Okay guys, new car is here. And how are you guys doing, by the way? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day on this nice cold morning. I don't know exactly what time you guys are watching this, but it's morning for me. But anyways, I told you guys in my last garage chat video that I was in the market for a new car, and out of all the cars on the list, one of them is here. It's actually sitting right over there. You can't see it yet. There are other cars that I really wanted, but unfortunately, the numbers just didn't work out. It was just a little bit more than I could afford responsibly. But anyways, I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. I'm gonna put the car in frame and show you exactly what I got.
Breaking traction a little bit there coming out of the corner.
So here it is, Civic Type R is officially on the channel. I told you guys in the last video that a new car is coming onto the channel, and here it is. This is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. It is used, it's not brand new. There's 13,000 miles on it, and I'm telling you, this car is super duper clean. I look at the engine bay, look at the underbody. I'm telling you, this car looks like it has never been driven out in the rain. And looking at all the radio station presets and everything like that, it looks like an old person or someone that is a little older than I am drove this car, because there's no way someone 30 and under would listen to those radio stations on either FM radio and XM Sirius. So there it is, Civic Type R is officially on the channel. This was by far the most suggested car by you guys, and I thank you for that. Since I have only had the car for a couple of days as I'm filming this video, I don't really have a definitive opinion about the Type R just yet, but just give me a couple weeks and I'll give you my true, unbiased opinion about the Type R from an STI owner's perspective. Totally unbiased. I'm not the mainstream news media, so I'm gonna tell you exactly how it is. So far from what I can tell, it's a lot better than I originally perceived. Just like a lot of STI owners out there, no offense to you guys, I didn't give two shits about the Type R when it first came out. I said to myself, it's a front wheel drive Honda and can't be that good. Boy, was I wrong. I'm telling you that, and I'm not afraid to admit it. So just like the STI, there's some good things about the Type R and some bad things about the Type R. I'm here to tell you the truth about both, unbiased. So far from what I can see on the aftermarket side, the aftermarket is very active. There's a bunch of new parts being created for this car by the day, and some of these companies can't even keep them in stock. So between me and you guys, so if you guys are still watching this video, I have talked to a couple companies about obtaining some parts, so stay tuned for that. And also, as of today, I am not sure if this is going to be a long-term car or just a placeholder until I can get the car that I really want. But one thing is for sure, we're taking this Type R to the track. That is right. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support. This is a really big move as far as my part. I've really only had Subarus on the channel other than the Miata. God, it's freaking cold out here. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.